Did you know that in Greek mythology, a woman gave up everything for a man, and he threw her away the second she stopped being useful? Her name was Medea. When Jason came to Colchis searching for the Golden Fleece, Medea was a princess and a powerful sorceress. She could have let him fail. Instead, she fell in love. She betrayed her father. She helped steal the fleece. She even killed her own brother to slow down the ships chasing them, scattering his body across the sea so her father would have to stop and collect the pieces. She did all of that for Jason. They built a life together. She gave him children. She used her magic to protect him again and again. Then Jason decided to marry a younger princess, a politically useful one, and he expected Medea to just accept it. She did not accept it. What Medea did next is one of the most disturbing moments in all of mythology. Not because she was a monster, but because by the time she did it, you completely understand why.